want to welcome Professor Martine Girard for being with us today. Welcome, Professor. Professor of Cardiology in Brest University. Is it your first visit in Egypt?
Oh, it's the third time I came in Egypt because 12 years ago I have been in Cairo and in Luxor and all of that. And 3 months ago I have been in Cairo for a cardiologic meeting. And actually I have for the third time in...
Yes, it's the first time to come
Alex,
right?
It's the first time
you like
for...
it? The sea, the beach?
Always very, very fine. And this meeting also, it's a very huge meeting. It's very impressive. And it's the first time for me, and I hope I'll come back soon.
We hope to. I want to know your presentation, what you're going to present in Cardiology 2013.
So I present TAVI experience in France and in the international experience of TAVI. And also I spoke about multivessel disease in diabetic patients, how to treat them. And the third part was the description of the Leifman before PCI, which kind of technique we can use in order to have a good analyze and a good follow-up after PCI.
Sounds very interesting.
Yeah, yeah.
I just want to know what's your opinion, the scientific level of the conference?
Oh, it's very high because we have a great interactivity with the audience, which is very, very nice because sometimes with a very big room, it's impossible to have this interactivity. But in CardioAlex, I think there is a good interactivity. We can share experience with Egyptian physicians, and there is also a lot of faculty from every part of the world. So it's very good meeting. Yeah.
Finally, I want to ask you about the Société Française. What's the role of the Société Française in cooperation in Egypt and the Middle East in the scientific activities?
I think it's a very important role because Egypt, particularly the Egypt Society of Cardiology, are very active in Europe, and they are very great actors. And I think they have a lot of new experience, and we can share with the Egypt Society a lot of things because they have not exactly the same patient than us, and we can adapt and we can learn a lot from the Egyptian physicians. So it's very important to can merge our experience and the experience of the Middle East. I think it's very important for us.
Yeah. Thank you so much for being with us today, Professor Martine, and hope you enjoy your stay in Egypt and come back many times. Thank you so much.
Thank you.